Hello everyone. I'm gonna present the PixelPad competition coding for the PixelPad competition, which I just said. And my name is Fergie Anwar. I'm from Indonesia. The theme for this competition is Independence Day, which is about in a few weeks for in Indonesia. So I'm gonna present all of what the codes do and the actual results. So this code is actually from ebook 3 called RPG. I'll just explain the code. As for this, it is so that the first thing is one in is the forest room. This is how it looks like. Once here, this is what it looks like. But it'll be much better when we go to the result. I'll just explain the codes and we'll see what the character sprites and stuff looks like. So this is the code for player. There's money system in this game, but there's no function for it yet. You just collect as many money as you can. This is how much health you have. If you go to zero, then the game will restart. As for this is so the player can move, and this is so you get money when you get collectibles as this one. The collectibles are ores. All of them give the same amount of cash, so it doesn't really matter which ores you get. But yeah, you just collect as many as you can for this. This is for the enemies. The enemies are wasps, as you can see here. There are about a few every levels. There are three in the first one, and oh yeah, also three on the second one. This is the NPC, which gives you a sword, so you can kill the enemies. If you don't talk to the NPC, then you won't be able to fight the enemies at all. This is so you can fight the enemies for player attack, and this is the background. It's usually set to forest first, but it'll change in this codes. See, if you go to a certain amount of direction to the right, then you'll go to the field, which is another room. This is the codes, and this is for the field. And I'll show you how it goes for the gameplay. This is my character sprite. This is the beast, which is the enemies. You collect ores, where you just collect it now. This is the NPC. If you press E, then you'll get this sword. Basically, if you haven't talked to him, then you won't be able to get a sword. And if you do some damage to the beast, they have a 50% chance of dropping an ore, which you get money from. And that's about all of the game for now. Uh, yeah, that is all. Thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.